Okay, today is 25th April 2024, my day number 35 of my trip from Dharamshala to Calcutta by road in my camper. Also went to Puri and I'm on my way back. I stopped in Jhansi right now. This place that you see is Jhansi Fort. It is about 40 degrees centigrade right now. I took a snapshot of the weather app and it was showing 38 at that time. That is the parking there. Cost 20 rupees for car jeeps. And I don't know how much the entry is over here. This is day number 35 of my trip from Dharamshala to Calcutta, Puri and back through Madhya Pradesh. Right now I am in Jhansi and the temperature over here is 40 degrees centigrade. It is really hot. This is the Jhansi Fort and I've already entered over here. The ticket was 25 rupees. And parking for a car and a jeep is 20 rupees just across the road down there. So today's date is 25th April 2024. This one is a Kadak Bijli Top. That means the electrical or electric gun. I don't know how this worked back in those days as there was no electricity. So let's read. Now I'm almost at the top of the fort. This is looking down towards the city of Jhansi. The fort is pretty big. This part is the top of the fort. Down there I can see my camper in the parking. Yeah, this place is huge. I've been walking continuously since about like 35 minutes now, and haven't seen the whole place yet. So this one seems to be some new construction on top over here. Does not match the original building style or fort style. The construction is completely bricks and cement. I was initially going to bypass Jhansi, but as I was driving on the highway, I saw a sign that said Jhansi Fort is about 7 kilometers. So I thought it might be a good thing to go down only 7 kilometers. Why miss it? Yeah, I see it was worth it. The traffic that I came through was pretty heavy, but not too bad. So I guess that was the end of the fort. I'm heading over to the cafeteria inside the fort, which is from the outside gate, and then I'll be just driving towards Delhi. I do plan to stop in Agra and Mathura on my way, so we'll be posting more videos from that side also.